me. In front of me is SONY XPERIA 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this Sony. Firstly, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Now click on this square button to access background apps and click on the icon of your app. Then choose pop-up window, and as you can see, when I click on home button, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, you can hold it in order to drag it wherever you wish to, open the other app and use both. If you want to make it full screen but stay in pop-up view, click on this icon with two arrows. You can go back by tapping on the same one. You can also turn your window into a bubble by tapping on this little icon with arrow and the dot, and then access it by clicking on the bubble. If you wish to make your app full screen, click on this icon, but if you wish to close it, click on this X at the top left corner. You can also just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!